Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. Guys, we're standing on one of, if not the prettiest, pre-owned 380 Outrage in the US. Seriously, this is a 2019 that we built factory fresh here at this store and sold. Never been bottom painted, less than 200 hours. Guys, the story starts right at the back of the boat. This has Mercury 400s. These are the Verados and they are joystick controlled. Gives you everything from autopilot to your skyhook, everything else you want to know about. This boat also has literally been brand fresh SeaDek. Beautiful color, matches the interior, very, very comfortable and cool on your feet. You have to be on board to appreciate this. This boat is optioned with the summer kitchen, grill, sink, so much more, all the places you need for tackle, storage underneath, and you can use it to prep. This boat, I have to say, has the rear sunshade, and you want that option. Now, if you slide up forward to the helm, again, the story is everything. This boat has all of it. I'm opening the vents for the Helm AC. It has twin screens, top stereo options, spotlight, that joystick we talked about. And this little square box here represents a huge option in that Seakeeper. This boat is gyro equipped. Guys, come up to the bow and I'm going to show you another beautiful spot. If you're looking, you probably already know that the 380 Outrage has an incredible bow, but this is not only a wonderful place you already know, it's beautifully cleaned. You can even go so far as to see the beautiful fish boxes, this gorgeous refinished teak table, even some of the original covers in their bags in the fish lockers here. Guys, the front of this boat is absolutely beautiful, and there's options like radar and dual sonars and so much more here. You got to see it at the marina to appreciate. I'm Jeremiah. This is MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. Guys, this is the 380 Outrage you don't want to miss. See you soon.